Just in the street forever. Just forever. Just.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Sarahy. You guys can definitely call me Sarah if you guys can't pronounce it. I know it's very hard to pronounce sometimes, but I am super excited to be filming this video because I'm going to do the most trendiest thing here on YouTube, which is I tried following blank blank blank's makeup tutorial, and I'm very excited because I haven't done one, obviously. That's why I'm gonna do one today, but I'm so excited because I'm going to be following one of CARLI BYBEL's YouTube video, which is the Get Ready With Me Classic Glam. There is a couple of products that I'm going to be using that I don't have and she has, obviously. Yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. But it's this tutorial right here. I have it on my liked videos. This one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There I am, and then there's some other things. I freaking love CARLI BYBEL, by the way. Like, she was one of the first people that I watched on YouTube. Obviously it was Nicole Gold, Jacqueline Hill, like the OG YouTubers. She's one of the reasons why I started doing YouTube videos, I'm not gonna lie. And that's why I was like, you know what, I need to do a tutorial following her makeup tutorial because I freaking love her, and I haven't seen a lot of people do CARLI BYBEL. But there is one thing that we do have in common, which is very long hair. She has beautiful long hair. Like, her hair looks like a pillow, like you can sleep on her hair kind of thing. So yeah guys, if y'all want to see me recreate CARLI BYBEL's classic glam Get Ready With Me, then please continue watching. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video because that will help me out so much. You guys don't even know, but thank you guys again for being here. And yeah, let's just get into the video. So here's her video, her cute little quotes.
Hi everybody, thank you for watching.
She's so pretty.
I filmed a Get Ready With Me, and this is the look that I came up with. I wanted
Let me
to
put on my brightness, hold on.
Kim Kardashian contour
Oh, it is
sticks.
all the way up.
So instead of just doing a review on them, I figured I would do a full Get Ready With Me, so that way I can see if I personally really loved it with the other products that I use in my foundation routine. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look right here, then please keep watching. For primer today, I'm using the Kylan
Okay,
Ultra
so she's going to be doing her primer first. So I don't have the crayon, whatever she applied on right now. I am going to be taking my HA intensifier from SkinCeuticals, and I'm just going to be applying this wherever I'm going to apply makeup. So my lips too, this really moisturizes my lips, you guys. She pats it all in her face. Oh my god, she's so fast. I don't have the Fiona Styles foundation. I don't have it, so I'm going to be taking my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, and I am in the shade Aruba. Okay, she dotted all over her face, so she put dots all over her face, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to pump a little bit on my hand, and I'm just going to She is using a beauty blender, so I'm going to use a beauty blender. I'm going to skip that part because she is trying out the Kim K contour sticks, but I don't have the contour sticks, so I am going to be skipping that part, and I'm going to use all my own products, but kind of like still following how she does it. She is going to be contouring her nose first. So I'm going to be contouring my nose. Wow, it's so weird because I do my concealer first and then I do my cream contour. So this is very different. Down here, like that. She also is doing under her cheeks. She does this right here. Like that, and then she does like little lines right under her neck. She also does some here on her forehead, like that. Or she also does it under her lip. I do that too. She's using the NARS concealer, matte concealer, but I don't have that one. I do have the NARS Radiant Cream Concealer. So, let me see. Oh, and she's also using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I think I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal. So I'm gonna go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and she just does this like that. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my medium. I don't have her shade, but I do have my own. She does this really cool thing where she like kind of like cleans up her cream contour like that. Like that. Wow, I've never done this, you guys. This is so different. She applies a little here, here, and then a little bit here. So she first blends out her concealer and then her cream contour. I think that's what she said, but that's what I'm gonna do.
Contour, I'm using this Morphe M436 brush.
She's using a Morphe fiber brush. I don't have that brush, but I do have a MAC brush, so I'm gonna get that one really quick. So here it is. This is the MAC 130 brush. It's not the same brand, but it is kind of similar. So she first blends out her contour. She took her beauty blender and just blended everything out.
I feel like it's better for a cream product, but this one did blend out pretty good. I'm gonna use my brush I always use to blend out my nose contour.
So I don't have that Tarte brush, but I do have a different Tarte brush. This is the, it's also double-ended. So I'm gonna use this side to blend out my nose contour. So she applied the cream side of the KKW contour stick. So I'm going to apply the Mary Lou Luminizer, Liquid Mary Lou Luminizer, liquid highlighter, and all over illuminator. So this is it right here, the brownie one. So she applies it right on top. Oh, she also applied it on top of her lip. Alright, so I do have the Kat Von D Set In Light powder. She's going to set it with a brush, and I don't really usually set it with a brush. I think she's using a Sephora brush, but I'm going to be using a Morphe E8 brush. This is it. They're very, very similar for sure. I feel like I'm wasting a lot of product right now. Alright, so me and her have totally opposite brows. We don't have the same exact brows, so I'm going to do my brows off camera because, yeah. So now I'm just going to remove the powder with the same brush. That's what she's doing, so I'm going to do it. She goes in with her Shade and Light palette. Mine is so messy, and I'm almost pretty much done with it. Like, I need to get a new one. I'm gonna get the middle shade. Right after that, she contours her nose. I like to contour my nose a certain way, but so I'm just gonna take a, you know, just a regular blending brush. This is a Sigma tapered blending brush, the EO35. After she's done contouring her nose, she takes the translucent powder again, and then she just... And she also takes the brush and just like kind of blends it together. Alright, so she applies concealer, more concealer on her eyelids, I guess to like prime her lids before eyeshadow. She did it with the KKW cream contour sticks, but I'm gonna do it with the concealer that I applied on earlier. After she's like done priming her lids, she goes in with the Kat Von D palette, and then she grabs the brown shade, which I'm pretty sure it's this one right here, the middle one, and she applies it all over her crease as a transition color. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue. So I'm not gonna do that. She used the cream contour right under her eyes as like a shadow. I don't have her palette, her like deluxe palette, but I do have her first palette, which is the CARLI BYBEL BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I actually don't really use it just because I don't know, I feel like there's not a lot of wearable eyeshadows for me. That's why I don't really use it sometimes. So she took a brown shade with a small brush. I'm gonna take this one right here. I'm gonna apply this underneath my eye just to make like a really pretty shade underneath. Just taking that shimmer. It's like a shimmer shade, so it's not matte. So let's continue. So she took a black liquid liner, and I think it's I don't know what liner she used, but I'm going to use the Tarteist liner. It's this one right here. She says that she wants to keep it like thick on the outer and then very thin in the inner right here. She puts the medium highlight right in her inner corner, but again, I don't have that cream contour stick. I might get it because it looks really pretty on her. So, but I'm gonna use the Balm Illuminizer again. And then she also applies it underneath her brow bone. But first, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Alright, so I'm going to be taking these Bellamy lashes. They kind of look like the one she's wearing, so I don't have what she's applying, so I'm just going to take her CARLI BYBEL palette, and I'm just going to be applying the gold shade, which is this one right here. Gonna take a mascara, and I don't have that mascara, so I'm gonna use the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. I've been loving this mascara. So what she does is she takes a little bit of powder and puts it right under her under eye. Now I'm gonna do my lips. Don't have that lip liner she's using, so I'm just gonna take this Maybelline and Gigi Hadid collaboration. I think that's what it is. It doesn't say what shade it is, but I will list it down below for you guys. She's using a ColourPop liquid lipstick, and I honestly don't have that. I wish I did because I've heard great things about that shade. That shade is Creeper. I think I'm going to be taking this Ciate liquid velvet lipstick. So hopefully they dry right now. So right after she is done applying her liquid lipstick, she dusts off any powder she has. Okay, so right after she dusts off, she grabs a little bit of her, she grabs her brush again, and she just blends everything together with her bronzer. Alright, so right after she does that, she's going to apply the Cover FX mattifying setting spray, and I do have it. Yay! And did you guys hear that? It's like a little ball inside. But funny story to how this shape became to be. I guess it was in my mailbox way too long, and it was like 109 degrees here in Las Vegas that it like kind of not exploded, but it expanded like right here. I can't sit it down, but yeah, so I'm gonna spray some of this really quick. Whoa. That is not a good spray. Oh my god. Do you guys see that? Is that from the freaking, oh my god, no wonder you have to shake it. Oh my god, I hope I don't get like white spots everywhere. Carly, are you trying to sabotage me here? Carly's trying to come for me. Just kidding. So I'm just gonna spray that again. Like, that was, let's see if it does that. Okay, now you have to really shake it well. Like, really well. And I haven't even applied highlight. I hope I do. Alright, let's see. Does she apply highlight? I thought she did.
I'm gonna use a little bit of that same.
Oh my god, yeah, she does apply highlight. Yay. So she applies highlight with a fan brush. I don't apply with a fan brush anymore. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit of the gold shade in the palette, which is this one, and just gonna a little bit of it on a fan brush and just like apply a little bit. I know that she's not like super crazy about highlight. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair and I'll be back looking like Carly. Hold on, I almost forgot, but she adds a little bit of glow right here. By the way, I'm using her palette. But yeah, guys, that is it for the I tried following Carli Bybel's makeup tutorial. I really love how it came out. I'm even wearing like kind of similar shirts. Her little two-piece dainty necklaces, stud earrings. I just try to do the whole entire thing, straighten my hair, do everything like her because obviously I tried to follow her makeup tutorial, but I really loved how the makeup look turned out. It's definitely different, like way different what I usually do here on my channel, but I really like it. I really love how everything turned out. It's very glam. It's still soft because we didn't do so much on the eyes, but it's still very glam, which I mean, I can get used to being Carli Bybel every day. This is it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you guys did on the comment down below. Like, did I do a good job? Let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys. Wait, how does she do it? She goes